Screen printing is one of the most popular ways to decorate a t-shirt. The challenge is you need a lot of equipment, know-how, technical skill, and space to be able to screen print shirts. Now that might be right for some of you in your startup business, but I'm here to show you a different way, a way that takes a smaller footprint and it's a little bit easier for anybody to step up and get quality results. That's called heat printing. In this case, I'm here at the Impression Show in Atlantic City, and we've been demonstrating our goof-proof screen printed transfers from Transfer Express. I have my Hotronix Autoclam heat press loaded, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to screen print with just a heat press. Step number 1, grab your blank apparel of choice. Here at Transfer Express, we sell a wide variety of blank apparel that you can find on our website, transferexpress.com. Load your shirt onto the press. As you can see, it's very easy to line up with the tag-along platen that we're using here. I'm going to complete a preheat process to remove the moisture and wrinkles. That's really important so you can get a good durable bond, because these screen printed transfers, when applied correctly, they'll outlast the garment. No cracking, no peeling, no fading at all. So you can have confidence putting your name on the line when you're selling these types of prints to your customers. Now the ink comes on the paper, so we don't need all the space, we don't need all the mess. All we need is the transfer. I log on to transferexpress.com, register for an account, and they have a free online designer with thousands of pieces of clip art and templates so you can create just like this for your customer. Transfer comes into you very quick. All the color is on one sheet, and so all I need to do is position that and heat apply. Now, wouldn't it be cool if I can personalize the brand while I'm pressing the front? With this attachment on the Hotronix heat press, you can do just that. It's called the tag along. So I'm going to pull the tag back, I'm going to fold it out, and then I'm going to add my own custom branding with a tagless transfer as well. This was ordered on the same sheet as my full front print to drive cost savings when I'm ordering. I position everything, lock the heat press down for the correct application time and temperature, and this machine, the Hotronix Autoclam, which is the one I own personally, I love this machine, automatically opens. I grab the corner of my design, peel it back, and I've created a high quality t-shirt. So there's no other steps involved. You're able to fold these up, throw them in a box, deliver them to your customer, making profitable garments in seconds. So if this gets you excited, you might be saying, what should I be doing next? What I would recommend you do is you look for the links in the description, you head on over to the Transfer Express site, register for an account, and guess what? We're gonna be able to allow you to get free samples, absolutely free. You can select the samples, get those into your business so you can touch and feel the transfer. Of course, you're going to want to talk to us to get a high quality heat press so you can apply those accurately with the durability that I'm talking about. And for that, you can call our 1-800 number over on transferexpress.com, or you can shop all the selection of heat presses. We have plenty of educational videos on our YouTube channel, so make sure you subscribe, and you can search through and find information about heat presses and how to select the right one for you. So, thanks for watching and good luck with starting your apparel decorating business.